Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, October 12th. Time is around 8 GMT. We will have a look at the S&P 500 futures on the Oanda platform. So we are looking at the 4-hour chart here and we are considering two scenarios. A scenario where the wave 4 correction is finished here as a WXY structure. However, there's also a possibility to interpret this as an A, B, C, and then that would mean that we are working here on our wave C down in red, and then this C down should consist of 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so currently in this scenario we are in the wave 4 area, and we really reached the limits of the wave 4 area. So we should start to reverse if this scenario is playing out. However, also in the other scenario here as a WXY, where the low is in here as a wave 4, I would soon expect a reversal, a corrective move down, I would say. So, like, the key question in the S&P 500 is, like, I would say a first key question is like, this structure up here from our low, is it corrective or is it impulsive? And so until yesterday it still looked corrective as a 3 waves, A, B, C. But now in the meantime we are doing, or we are printing here additional data, and this makes me think we will have a 5 wave structure right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if this is 5 waves, then what should follow is 3 waves down, corrective. But that would mean that this low here will hold. Then we have, for instance, like a wave 1 up, wave 2 down, 3, 4, 5. So this is what I'm currently thinking. Like, I tend to believe that we have 5 waves up here, and if we have 5 waves, then it would mean that if we make the 3 waves down, that this low here should hold. We have divergence also in the 1 hour here. Like, we have divergence. This is typically our wave 3. This is typically the wave 4 here. So I would say we are now working on the 5th wave. Of course, we can see a bit more upside in this 5th wave. That's always possible, but yeah, my general expectation would be that soon we are coming down from here, but as a corrective move. So this low should hold then. And if this is the case, then I can take off this secondary scenario. Also, if we would see a bit more upside violating this wave 4 area, then I can also take off this secondary scenario. But the real test will be when we come down right here. Then this low here should hold. That's the most important test in the S&P 500. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.